what does Data Days mean to you?
So Days Days means to me bringing together people who are interested in taking knowledge and pushing it forward to the community, to making data matter.
As a researcher, I think it's really important for community organizations and advocates of the community to have access to quality data about the work that they're trying to do. So Data Days is a way that we as a community can come together and encourage people to use that data and make improvements in their community.
Data Days is ultimately a culmination of all the work that each of us do day in and day out throughout the community, whether it's in the education, nonprofit, private or government sectors.
Data Days, to me, is a celebration of the open data movement.
I like Data Days because it's a good way to get the word out about my agency's data.
So for me, Data Days is about making connections between people in the community that use data for all kinds of different purposes. For making decisions, for telling stories, and also a place for conversation about how we can use it for social good.
To me, Data Days is an opportunity for the community to come together to create competency and trust and knowledge in the community about how to better use data.
It's exciting because it's a civic tech movement coming right out of the community around data, which is driving everything we do.
It's been great, and it doesn't dissipate. Lots of times when you have conferences, you have meetings, it kind of goes away. But what I saw from the previous ones is that everyone kind of started building these other structures and sort of things that we need, the culture that we need, the infrastructure that we need to make this a place where we can try to solve more problems using civic data. And I mean, really, it's not about the data, it's about the problems.
For me and for us at the Cleveland Water Alliance, Data Days is really about engaging the civic sector and talking about how data can positively impact our community here in Cleveland.
Do you know the correct way to pronounce this word?
No, data. I say data, not data.
Do you know the correct way to pronounce this word?
ADAT, I believe. No, I would say data.
Do you know the correct way to pronounce this word?
Data!
I do know that it is plural, at least I hope so. I think I would usually say data instead of data.
All right.
Absolutely. Data, no question about it.
Data.
I think I say data. I'm not actually sure. Now that you ask, it's always you have second thoughts. Data, I think I say data.
I can't say the correct way, but if Patrick Stewart, aka Jean-Luc Picard, says data, then I'm saying data.
Data?
I say both data and data.
Well, I'm gonna say data.
No. I've been saying Data Days, though.
That's funny because I think I pronounced it two ways, data and data. And I don't know which way it is, but maybe it's like tomato and tomato. It's your choice.
That's awesome.